Hello, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create mobile apps within few minutes. Do you know that most time you open an app, you are directly making money for someone else? So today I'm going to teach you how you can create mobile app and make money for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel, for I'm here to guide you on how to make money online, how to do some basic things as those easy tricks to make money online. So first, for you to create app, there's a simple app you can use to create an app even within few minutes. Now all you have to do is you go to your Play Store. Now enter your Play Store, you click on Play Store, as you can see. Then the next thing you do is search for app creator. App creator 24. You can see it right here on the front. App creator 24. You click on it. You allow it to load. Now you can see it. This first one, app creator 24. You can see it, app creator 24. Then you download and install it. Once you download and install it, then you are good to go. Then I've already downloaded it. Just click on download. Now I have this app creator 24 right here on my phone. Now I have this app creator 24 right here on my phone. Let me show you. You can see it right here, app creator 24. Then I'll click on it. Then after clicking on it, you can see after clicking on it, right, you can see I'm right here on my profile. Don't forget to subscribe. I will teach you everything you need to know how to make money online, all the tricks and how to browse free. I'm here to help you. Now you see it has opened. Then I will have to enter my email address. Now let me say as like a hearing. Okay, this is my email address. This is my email address as like a hearing. I've entered my email address. Then the next thing is I have to enter my password. But if I'm a new user, I will click on sign up. Now let me enter my password here. You can see I've entered my password. Then I'll just click on sign in. I'll just click on sign in. It's loading. Now this is all the latest app I have created. You can see I have created several apps. Share the app. Now if I want to create a new app, now I will click on this create app. Or if I don't want to create on that, click on this create app. Then I have to go to my left corner, this three line on the left corner, this icon here on the left corner of my phone, this three line. Once I click on it, these three lines, once I click on it, you see app creator 24. You see social creator. You use this social creator like if you want to create an app that you can use to chat. Let me just leave down for now. We'll start with how to create app. I will click on this create app. See, it is loading. I will just allow it to load. Then here I will have to enter the name I want to give my app. Let me say maybe I want to create an app for a particular business. Like for my business, let me say I want to create an app for a school. I can just have to say Airlight Academy. Airlight Academy is one of it. Like you can see I've put the name Airlight Academy. Then under this app icon launcher, like anytime you are opening the app, the picture the picture that will serve as the icon is a shortcut to a program. When we say icon is a shortcut to a particular word program. Like all those things you normally see on your screen, like you see all those WhatsApp icon, Opera Mini icon, those are pictures that lead you, those are shortcut to a particular program. So any picture that I want it to be the icon for the app, I will upload it, or I will choose from gallery. Once I click on choose from gallery, that's it will take me to my phone to choose any picture I want. But if I click on choose file, it will this particular app creator will give me available icon to use. So let me click on choose from gallery. Sorry, let me click on choose from file. Gallery is for the app creator. Now it will take me to from here, it will take me to my gallery. Then I will have to now select the particular picture I want to use as my icon. Let me see, I want to use this let me use this picture here. Let me see, I've choose the picture I want to use now. Then this app description. From under this app description, you describe what the app can do. What is this app all about? I'll just have to say this app let this app can be used to chat or teach students of Elite Academy Gusto. Now I've described the app now. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll have to wait and see what is good with this loading. So I've said don't worry, I will teach everything you need to know how to create app and the rest. Then from here now, from here you have to select a style for the app. Like the app, if you open it, how did you want the layout to be? Which color do you want the app to have as a layout? You can see holo contrast black. Now let me choose black. I'll choose black here. Once I click on black, you've seen it here. Then I'll click on next. You can edit all those ones later. Then from here, it will ask you what type of app are you creating, what kind of app, what do you want the app to do. Is it chat, social network like community, friends, club, or schools? This one. There is the web app. Create an app for a website. If you have a website and you want to create an app for it, you use this create an app for a website. Then this TV or video app, you can create an app for about a TV or video when you be sharing videos with people. Under this retail, you create an app for shopping where people can shop or order for your services or your whatever you are selling. So that's that. This reviewer tutorial from tutorials, this is where you teach people. You can create an app where you can be able to teach people. A blog app, create an app with a blog. So you can create, if you have a blog before and you want to create an app for your blog, you can just click on this create app for a blog. Then you have radio station or music app. Maybe you want to create it for a radio station, or you want to create it for music where people can listen to music, so on and so forth. The services, this one maybe for example you are a hairdresser, restaurants, hotel, you can use this service. Now for the purpose of this app, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose a social chat and social network, the first one. See, I've clicked on it. Now you say, do you want the app to have a chat? I will click on yes. You see, what will be the name of the chat on the app? I will click on, let me say, Elite staff. You see, this from here, the staff of the school can communicate with each other. Then I will click on next. Then to save, I take me to the next section. You can see here, do you want the app to have user finder? When I say under this user finder app, people that are using other app can easily locate the app, or the app can integrate with other app. If I say no, I will click on next. Then from here it says, do you want to include user video section where if I want users of my app to be able to share and receive videos, I will click on yes. If I don't want them to share and receive any video, I'll click on it. Let me say yes, so that I can be able to share video this thing. So user video session, that's I have to name where they will be receiving video. I can just say video lectures. It's a video lectures. That's where that's where pictures all the listing will be uploaded. Now go to app manager. The app has been created with the data you have entered. Now go to app manager to download and complete. Now I'll go to app manager. Don't worry, after you download, I'm also for the next class I'm going to teach you how you can be able to edit everything, add more features and design it. So this is a new channel, as I said. I'm here to help you how to make money online. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and whatever question you have, don't forget to drop it on the comment box below. So you can see now I have created it. I have to wait for a few minutes. I will click on this link so that I will be able to download the app I just created. Okay, I will teach you all the ways you can use to make money in Nigeria. I may leave you an example. I'll teach you all the proven ways I've been using. And whatever question you have, you can drop it on the comment box below. Now you can say this app is not yet available. Try in a few minutes. I'll just have to wait for a few minutes, then I will download this app. I'll have to wait for like 5 minutes. Let's pause a little. Now link. Say the link. The app is not yet available. Try a few minutes. Now let's see wait and see. It's not yet available. Let's wait for a few minutes. Download it. Now we can link. So what you see, download, which means the app is available now. Elite Academy Go. So now we can download. See, it is loading. Then from here I will choose which app did I use to download it. Let me use Opera Mini for example. I know a lot of people have Opera Mini on their phone. I'll click on, then I'll wait while it loads. If you follow these tricks, create your mobile app. Will thank me later. Now I'll also show you how much I've made with my own app. You can see the app is just 9 megabytes. I'll click on download. See, it is downloading. You can see it will downloading. I will go to my downloads. The app is downloading. Let me go to my download. You can see the app is downloading. You can see the recent app that I've created. I've downloaded for people. You can create for yourself, start a business with it, or do 1 or 2 things with it. Or you can create for people too. I'll teach you how you make money with any app you create, and how to get clients to create app for them. Then you click on the app you just created. I have downloaded it. See Elite Academy. You can see the image I use as my icon. I'll click on install. You see, my app is installing. You can ask a question on the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out the next classes on how to create and design mobile apps. I will also teach you how to make money with apps, so you don't have to work for anybody. You can be a boss on your own. Like I'm a boss on my own. There are a lot of ways you can make money online. It must not have to be Yahoo. That's internet fraudsters, popularly known as Yahoo. So my app is installing. I just have to wait to let it install. Then once done, you see what you just created. You can see still installing. Still installing. See, the app has finally installed. I'll just click on open. So let's see what we just created. see it is loading. The app I just created in a few minutes. Unlike before, you have no coding where you can create, and this is the image I use in the background. You can see, bam, our app is created. You see complete profile. You can see now elite staff, video lectures. Those are the two things I've put. You can add more lectures when you go to the app. So the next video I'm going to teach you how you design the app, customize it, and the rest. You can see this is the app we just create and okay. Now I now put on everything, put on my name, description, birthday, and the rest. You can read this structure here. So once you look like this, try download it. Any app, create it just in this format. Share it with your friend. Try chat with your friend with it, and you get back to me. This how to design it. Then after how to design it, I will teach you how you can make money with the app you created. If this video was helpful or this video, please don't forget to give us a like, and secondly, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out other interesting things, and let us know what you think in the comment box. Thank you.